Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3, we are starting second part of Unit 17, Pattern and Symmetry. So, we are studying exercise 7.2. Here it's based on pattern work example. Look, extend this pattern by adding two triangles each time. This is the first step of pattern. Next, look, first starting two triangle. Next, two triangle plus two triangle, so here is four triangles. Next, again adding two, so four triangles, because earlier four triangles, again we are start at two triangles, so it will be six triangles. So it will become 2, 4, 6, and these are multiples of 2, right? So constant is the two triangles added each time, two triangles. So if you understand this one, I hope you also understand exercise 17.2 question 1a. Here is mentioned, starting with these three circles are added each time to extend the pattern. Complete the number sequence, number sentence, right? So for first 3 plus 3 is a 6, 6 plus 3 is a 9. So look, we are adding 3, so 9 plus 3 equals to 12, 12 plus 3 it will be 15, 15 plus 3 it will be what, 18. So how many circles will be in the next pattern? So first starting 1, 2, 3 and then finally added. So how many circle will be in the next pattern? It will be 18 plus 3, it means 21. Now what is the constant in this pattern? Which is 3, because we are adding each time 3 circle. Next, number 2, starting with these two squares are added each time to extend the pattern. Complete the number sequence. So first here is a 2 square shape, so first 2 plus 2 it will be 4, then 4 plus 2 it will be 6, 6 plus 2 it will be 8. So how many square will be in the next pattern? It will be 6 plus 2, it means 10 square. Okay, so what is the constant in this pattern? It will be 2. Next, starting from the pattern of 16 squares, reduce the pattern by subtracting 4 square each time. Okay, so starting it will be 16, and next reduce the pattern by subtracting 4 square each time. So what will be the result? Like 16 equals to 4, 16 minus 4 it will be 12, then again 12 minus 4 it will be 8, 8 minus 4 it will be 4, and then 4 minus 4 it will be 0. Draw what happened. So first or we can draw more quickly like this. This is our square shape. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is a 16. Next, these 4 out. So what next? 1, 2, 3, 4 out. It means this one out. So here will be what? 1, 2, 3. Then here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay, but here is 3. Okay, so now this one was 4 by 4, and now this one become 1, 2, 3. It means 4 by 3, and here is 16 minus 4. It will be 12. Next, again this one out. So again it will be 1, 2, 3, but here is a like this. So it will be 4 times 2, that means 12 minus 4, it will be 8, right? Next, this one out. So this one is like 1 2 3 and 4, so 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So it's a 4 by 1, and finally it will be out. So record how many squares are left each time. So we can say initially start 16, then minus 4 equals to 12, then 12 minus 4 it will be 8, then 8 minus 4 it will be 4, and finally 4 minus 4 it will be 0. What is the constant in this pattern? Which is 4, right? Then number 4, extend this pattern by adding one cloud. Complete the number sentence. So it's a cloud, first 1, then another cloud adding, so it will be 2, then 2 again add 1, 2 plus 1 is a 3, 3 plus 1 is a 4. So how many clouds will be in the next pattern? It will be 4 plus 1, it means 5. So what is the constant this pattern? It's a 1. Question 5. This pattern shows both vertical and horizontal symmetry. Draw the horizontal line of symmetry. It's a very simple thing. In question is like this. It's a vertical symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, and once we make like this line, it will be horizontal symmetry. The question answer like this. Number B, use the same shapes to make your own patterns. So we can make like this. Suppose here is a red color hexagon and 2 yellow color hexagon, and also 2 blue color rhombus. So this is our own pattern. Number C, draw around the shapes you used. Look, outline each shape clearly with a pencil or colored pen. So first we have to draw and we will make color. This helps highlight the structure and make symmetry easier to check. So how easier to check? Look, draw lines to show vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. So in here, once we make like this horizontal line, here this one and this one same, this one and this one mirror image, this one and this one mirror image. Similar, once we use vertical line, so this one and this one mirror image, right? So number 5 done. Number 6, this pattern has one vertical line of symmetry to show reflection. Add some shape to pattern so it also a horizontal line of symmetry. Draw the horizontal line symmetry. So this is the vertical line, and this one is a clear reflection. But if we want to make like this horizontal line, this case we have to make a shape like this. So this one and this one reflection will be clear. Okay, so this is horizontal line and this is vertical line. I hope you cleared this one. Just we are drawing simple this shape against like this, and here is like this. Very simple. Number 7, use these lines as lines of symmetry. So this is the horizontal and vertical line both. So if we want to make as lines of symmetry, look, draw a picture or pattern that has some lines of symmetry colored. You have done, the color must be symmetrical as well. So this is the perfect example. Like we can, if you consider a vertical line, so here this one and this one same, this circle shape is the same, this square shape is the same in here, right? And also this is star and here is a star. But in here, if you want to make a horizontal line, this case this one and it will be mirror image, right? And this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one is a clear. So this is the great example or great point you can draw like this way. So ultimately our chapter complete, which is 17.2 pattern and symmetry. But think like a mathematician. Here we have to discuss something like use this 6 square to find as many different patterns with one line of symmetry and two lines of symmetry. Look, here is a 6 square shape, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can make like this way. Suppose here is a 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, and it's once we make vertical line it will be clear reflection. And straight also, it means once we square added each other, that case also make a symmetric line. And we can also 1 2 3 1 2 3, it's also similar. Here is a 1 2 1 2, and in middle will be vertical and horizontal line. And here is also, if we make column wise 1 2 3 1 2 3, it also make vertical and horizontal line. So thank you very much. A long time you are with me. Last video we have completed 17.1, and this video I am trying to make solution 17.2. I cannot ensure it's my perfect one, because symmetric and pattern, it's a little bit different than as usual math, but I am trying my best to solve for you. I hope it will help you. If you think this video is helping you and this channel is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare. I'm trying to finish Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. Thank you.